enough to talk slick, but not grown enough to pay rent. You out here acting tough with the police, but you cry when the Wi-Fi go off.
Ma'am, he says you yelled at him again.
I yell. I just used the volume God gave me. He keep acting grown, but still on my Wi-Fi. You don't pay no bills here, do you?
No, ma'am.
Then quit knocking like the IRS, all right?
I've been driving longer than you've been alive.
Ma'am, you were going 40 in a 25.
And you were born slow, so what's your excuse? Ha!
Son, you walked up here huffing like you ran a marathon. All you did was step out the car.
Yes, ma'am. It's a little warm out.
Warm? Please. You couldn't catch a cold in January the way you moved.
I said, son, them shoes look like they lost the custody battle for your ankles.
Oh, come on.
That hoodie, it's hanging on for dear life like a hairline at 25.
Son, you out here trying to look tough, but you built like a refrigerator with arms.